This video is about how to handle a boss visit to your territory. If you don't prepare well, it will be a nightmare for you. So in this video, I am going to explain important points how to handle a boss visit. This video is about pre-visit preparation. Before your boss comes, what you need to prepare, pre-visit preparation. First one is target versus achievement. Okay? Target versus achievement. You should have clear knowledge about target achievement of each town, each distributor, at least for the last 6 months or 3 months. How much is the target, how much achieved, and what is the growth compared to previous year, and what is the percentage of target achieved for the year or maybe for the quarter. And if you achieve more any product, you should have the reason why. If you achieve less for any product, you should have the reason why you achieved less. Product wise value and value, perfect comparison will be there with the remarks you should keep ready to explain your boss. Okay? The next one is your territory profile or town profile where boss is going to visit. You should have the town in full information like what is the population, how many wholesalers, how many retailers, any historical places to see, anything importance about that place, and who are the competitor distributors, how many outlets they are covering. All information you should have for the particular your boss is visiting, as well as for your territory town wise information you should must keep ready if your boss asks to. The point is about market visit. If you are taking your boss to a particular market, you should have full idea about the market, what is the beat name, how many wholesalers are there, how many retailers are there, how much business expected per visit in that location. Okay? And very important point, the outlets, wholesalers, retailers must know you by name. That means you are visiting that area regularly for the sales. If anyone don't recognize you, your boss may suspect that you are not working regularly in a. The next one is financial budget. What is the financial budget? So if you have any display budget, how much used, how much kept, and if you have any quantity purchase scheme budget, how much used, how much sale we got by using the budget, etc. Means you should have clear financial budgets allotted to you and spent as on date and result. Okay. Then about market outstanding, you should keep data ready. How much market outstanding from distributor side, how much is the old outstanding, aging analysis. If any outstanding is overdue, what is the reason? Is there any particular product not moving? Why retailers are not paying? Is there any reason? How to collect that outstanding so that the distributor investment will come down. These all plans, data, ideas, and you should keep ready to get the approval from your boss. Then very important thing is competition information. So suppose your boss is coming to a town, who are the competition in the town, who is the distributor, who is the distributor salesman, and how old is the distributor, what is the reputation in the market, how many outlets they are covering, how many outlets you are covering, all comparison, what is the area of their warehouse, what is the area of our warehouse, accessibility of warehouse, how many mechanical units he got, how many you got, how many non-mechanical units he got and you got. All data must have with you, very important, including competition distributors, phone numbers, addresses, their family details, where they stay, etc. It is must, you should maintain it. Then coming to stock positions. What are all the primaries for the last 3 months or 6 months? What are all the secondaries for the last 6 months or 3 months? What is the present stock position of distributor? What is the present stock position of C&FA or super stockist? How many secondaries orders are there? How many primary orders are there? What is the distributor outstanding to the company? All the information you should keep ready, up to date of your total territory, means all towns, all distributors you should keep ready in case your boss asks to explain. Then if you are maintaining any physical book like black book, and if you are maintaining any ERP sheets in the computer, you should update it, every information updated. If your boss asks, you must be able to open and show immediately. Updated information in all the records of even distributor, all the files of distributor must be ready if your boss asks to show. Then coming to stock positions. What are all the primaries for the last 3 months or 6 months? What are all the secondaries for the last 6 months or 3 months? What is the present stock position of distributor? What is the present stock position of C&FA or super stockist? How many secondaries orders are there? How many primary orders are there? What is the distributor outstanding to the company? All the information you should keep ready, up to date of your total territory, means all towns, all distributors you should keep ready in case your boss asks to explain. Then if you are maintaining any physical book like black book, and if you are maintaining any ERP sheets in the computer, you should update it, every information updated. If your boss asks, you must be able to open and show immediately. Updated information in all the records of even distributor, all the files of distributor must be ready if your boss asks to show. Then finally, you have to prepare a small presentation of all the points I told, 1 page wise. It will come around 15 pages to give your boss as soon as he lands, so that he will read, he will get an idea, and maximum answers he will get from the presentation, so that he will have minimum questions from him to answer. Finally, if you are going with him to the market, your briefcase or handbag, whatever you carry, must be arranged carefully. Pen, pencils, daily reports if you are filling, calculator, trade briefing folders, anything you must have in that, and very easy to take out from the briefcase, not messing up after opening, because searching for hours for even small things. So if you manage all these things well, prepare well before boss visit, your boss visit will be successful and you will be happy. In my next video, I am going to tell you how to handle a boss during market visit. Now this video is about pre-visit preparation, and next video will be how to handle your boss in the market.